basically in the studio, obviously painted the floor right. You know, just working on, just having a look at my pointillism work. I mean, this one I'm not too happy with, this one here, but you know, I think it was just, you know, experimental, kind of leading on to kind of this one here, which was, you know, which is still not finished, but obviously it takes a while. And I just got this painting back from the gallery the other day, or yesterday, you know, I went to collect it, you know, which is good just to have these things just to remind me, just to kind of, you know, refresh what you're doing. Now I've got some of the paintings all packed up over here. Yeah, and that's it basically. So, you know, I've got a fresh canvas that I'm working on, and like I say, I'm just contemplating finishing off these two, and yeah, just admiring, you know, something from a little while ago, and yeah, it's just interesting to see how your work develops, and it's always a good, you know, to take a look back, because this is what I was doing last week, well, about 2 days ago, you know. She was very different again, but I think at the moment I'm all round pleased, so I think that's why I probably chose to let some spring in here, basically. You know, thanks.